Hello guys, welcome to this channel and thank you for stopping by. My name is Kenneth Benjamin, and in this video I want to talk about the Jumia affiliate program. So Jumia affiliate programs allow you to earn commission for advertising Jumia products on your blog or YouTube or anywhere. You can send your affiliate link for a particular product to anyone, and once they buy the products from that link, Jumia pays you a commission up to 11% for advertising that particular product. So basically, to start with the Jumia affiliate program, you have to register, which is the first thing to do, and then you pick your products to advertise. So as you know, Jumia has presence in some African countries, so you choose your country. Like for me, it's Nigeria, so I'm a Jumia affiliate member from Nigeria. So you advertise to your audience, your Nigerian audience, or let's say you are a Nigerian and you want to advertise to the Egyptian audience or some other African countries where they have presence. Then once you do so, you get paid when people buy products from your link within 30 days, because they have this cookie. It's something that has to do with cookies. So once someone clicks on that link, even if they don't buy immediately, so as long as they've clicked on that link and their browser cookie has registered that activity, then within 30 days the cookie is still going to be active. And if they purchase, let's say 10 days later or 12 days later or 15 days later, Jumia will still pay you commission based on that sale. Alright, so the first thing to do is to register if you don't have the affiliate account already. And to register, you have to go to the Jumia affiliate website, which is affiliate.jumia.com. So I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can easily click and get to this point. So the first thing to do is you click on this black button here, become an affiliate or register. It's the same thing. I just clicked on become an affiliate, and a form would pop up for you to register with your details, your name and all of that information. So if you have a blog, it's easy, you enter it here. So for me, I recently created a health blog for myself, and I want to take advantage of the Jumia affiliate program. So I now thought to myself that okay, trying to do this, I have to make a video so that so many other people out there would know about this, because most people don't know you can actually advertise Jumia products without having the products yourself, without buying any product, without stocking any inventory. So once you advertise, Jumia pays you commission based on that advertisement. Okay, so you enter your details here and you register. Once you do so, you confirm your email and you are good to go. So for me, I already created an account, so I'm not going to go through this process, which I believe you'll be able to do by yourself. So I'll just log in directly from here. Okay, so I just logged into my affiliate account, and this is a whole new dashboard. If you've seen the previous affiliate dashboard, it was very, very, very different and very hard to use compared to this. Okay, so this is more user friendly, less distractions, and everything is just straight to the point. So you can see your performance. This is where you get your advertising, let's say links for mobile apps. You can get the banner generator and the link builder. So basically I use the link builder. So what the link builder means is you can generate a link whereby you send this link to people and then have them come buy the product from that link and Jumia pays it. So this is how you do it. I'll choose my country, like we have Jumia, all of these other countries here. So I'll go to Nigeria. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a product on Jumia. So let me hop on to Jumia right now and pick a product. So jumia.com.ng. Now, the best way to advertise these products on Jumia is actually when you have a niche blog, or you can do basically kind of like a review. Let's say you are into gadgets or health or apparels, so you can pick a niche for yourself, build a blog around it, and start advertising products, recommending products to people from the blog. So for me, it's a health blog, and most of the products I'm going to be advertising is going to be health and beauty products. Okay, so but for the sake of this video, I'm going to pick a random product. Let's say this smartwatch, for instance. Let's say I want to advertise this smartwatch. Okay, so I just copied the link, and then I'll go back to my Jumia affiliate dashboard and paste the link over here, and then it generates this URL here for me. Okay, so this is the URL I'm going to copy and send to the people I want to purchase this particular product, or I can link it up here and link a text that says click here to buy this product. So I'm going to do kind of like a review of this product on my blog. And guys, very important, you have to be checking the reviews. Okay, you don't want to be advertising products that have very bad reviews. That will amount to low sales. So you want to be checking the reviews to see that these products have a very good review. Okay, so I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. I just picked a random product. Alright, so once you do that, you paste the link like I said here, and it generates this particular link for you. So you don't have to do any other thing else. You can leave all of this other section. Just paste the link, then copy this other link. Then as you can see, this link is very it's very confusing and long. So what you would want to do is to shorten the link. Go to bits.ly, a URL shortener, and shorten the link to something that is reasonable and short, and always make sure you have a readable text next to it. Okay, so once you do that, you now copy your link, paste it on wherever you want to paste them. So that's how you do the affiliate stuff. The next step is to generate a banner. So for the same thing, you click on banner, select your country, Nigeria, and all the possible banners are going to pop up. You can use it for your widgets, your blog widget. And once people click on that banner from your website, they get to the Jumia products page, and once they purchase from there, you get paid. Okay. Alright, so that's it guys for this particular video. I hope you would sign up to the Jumia affiliate program. If you want a blog to advertise the Jumia affiliate products, you can reach out to me. Just type in the comment section, and I'm going to get back to you with more detail on how we can go on with that. Okay. And for the blog, I plan to promote this products. Currently, I have some Amazon affiliate products here. I'm still building this blog. It's not 100% complete yet, but I'm going to complete it very soon. And then I want to have varieties like Jumia products and Amazon products as well. So if you need a blog like this, you can reach out to me, type it in the comment section, and I'll respond to you. Okay, and you can check out my website too, because I do basically website design, blog development, and all these kind of stuff. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping more useful and informative videos in the future. Until then, see you on the next one. Bye.